Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 5th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 30th, 2025, our system has classified BigBear.ai Holdings as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 72.57% since we first suggested purchasing BigBear.ai Holdings 5 days ago. This results in an average return of 14.51% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's upcoming direction, as it may move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong short-term rising trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, the support level now rests at the threshold of the recently breached trend at $6.05, presenting a potential second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $8.30 is projected to be the next possible peak, which could act as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 105.78% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 10.27% to 75.24%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 31.53% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 65.73% and 3.02%. This translates to a price range from $2.44 to $7.33 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings highlights the significant volatility in the stock price on Wednesday, which concluded trading at $7.11. On the last trading day, the stock price of BigBear.ai Holdings experienced an impressive increase of 44.81%, moving from $4.91 to $7.11. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 40.52%, reaching a low of $5.37 and a high of $7.54. This period has seen the price consistently rising and falling, with an overall gain of 60.14% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also saw an increase on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 198 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 266 million shares changing hands for approximately $1.89 billion. Over the last 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price at $7.54 and its lowest price at $1.17. Currently, the price stands 5.69% or 429 cents below the 52-week high and 55.89% or $9.01 below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when it peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai, trading under the symbol BBAI, is experiencing a significant surge in stock price, rising by more than 45% following the announcement of a new contract with the United States Department of Defense. This position with the Defense Department underscores BigBear's role in the rapidly expanding artificial intelligence sector, further supported by growth trends highlighted by the recent performance of similar firms, such as Palantir Technologies. In addition to this contract, BBAI is drawing attention amid a broader rally in artificial intelligence stocks, fueled by increasing interest and investments in AI technologies. With a combination of government contracts and a favorable market environment, BBAI's current momentum could lead to sustained investor interest. In the short term, the stock price is likely to remain supported by positive sentiment and substantial funding from the Department of Defense, indicating high confidence in Big Bear's capabilities. In the long term, as artificial intelligence continues to evolve, a series of strategic contracts and market developments may position BBAI as a pivotal player in the defense and security sectors, potentially leading to further advancements and sustained stock growth. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade while recommending a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, H.C. Wainwright again rated BBAI with a buy grade and suggested a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $4.56 and $3.91. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, January 13, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 138.59%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Additionally, volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal that occurred 17 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 78 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average has generated a sell signal 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 86 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 101 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock is expected to experience significant movement during the day, characterized by high volatility and a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, indicating it is considered very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $2.17 between its high and low points, which amounts to 40.52%. In the last week, the stock has recorded an average daily volatility of 18.45%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -5 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to help determine when to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which suggests that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of January, 2025, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider sale of 66,153 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of January, 2025, Fulcino Paul E. conducted an insider purchase of 11,338 shares of common stock. On the same day, Braden Pamela Joyce conducted an insider purchase of 21,542 shares of common stock. On that same day, Canito Peter Anthony Jr. conducted an insider purchase of 25,850 shares of common stock. Also on the 22nd of January, BBAI Ultimate Holdings, LLC conducted an insider purchase of 43,878 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 89.964. Overall, insiders purchased 5,314,143 shares and sold 96,765,080 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.87, reflecting a decline of 3.36%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, leading to a heightened level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 82, which considerably amplifies that risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 16 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may either maintain their positions or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last assessment. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price seems overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 6th of February, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open lower by approximately 439 cents, starting the trading session at $6.67. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.